there's only two things that will prevent you from having a massive group inside what's going to happen anyway. You have a one-of-a-kind product that the barrier of entry for competition is unscalable.
Yeah.
So you imagine having a smartphone and you're the only one that had it on the planet? This is just as big because everybody has hormone challenges as they age. It's just that simple. So there's only two things that can get in your way, okay? One of them is poor communication skills. And the company gave us the honor of coming here today and gave you the tools for that. The other thing that will stop you from being as successful or having the life that you want is self-esteem. That's it. So I'm going to prove that you already have more than enough self-esteem to be a seven-figure earner. I have right here a check that's actually good for $1.2 million. Who wants that check? Keep your hand up. Keep your hand up if you want this check. And you would take this check, but you would know that you would not wake up tomorrow. Do you get it? Listen to me. You were just willing to take $1.2 million, but you said to you and everybody in this auditorium, you won't take it just so you can wake up tomorrow and leverage what this man and his team has put in play for all of us. Communication, low self-esteem. You don't have low self-esteem. Somebody just convinced you.
Yep.
But you just convinced yourself you're worth more than $1.2 million. Do your job and earn it. Right, Dave? You got the question?
Hey, Marky.
Yeah.
You just crushed the color code training. What are you going to do now?
I'm going to Disney World. Thank you.